best hospitality project that Hiranandani has ever created. Welcome to Hiranandani Sands. We all aspire to do wonderful new things.
Today feeling happy that we have booked a house here in Sands.
We are very excited to be part of this project, and the way the presentation is we have seen, it looks like one of its kind. So we are very happy to be part of Hiranandani family.